Good morning everybody. So welcome to all of you. So in the previous video we were discussing about the partnership and partnership deed. So in this class we are going to discuss another very important topic, that is special aspects of partnership accounts. See here, in partnership, as we discussed in the other business entities also, here also we have number of accounts to be maintained. Along with that, in partnership account, for the partners, they have to maintain their partnership capital account and current account. Like this, some accounts has to be maintained by the partners. So what are the accounts that has to be maintained by these partners? See, partners capital account has to be maintained. Whatever the capital is brought to the business, they have to maintain it in a separate account like partnership capital account. Then all the partners, whatever the capital they have brought, that will be entered. Of course, along with that, different accounts are also maintained like commission, salary and interest on capital, etc. After that, distribution of profit and loss among partners. See, whatever the profit that is gained by the business, it has to be distributed by among the partners, isn't it? Whether it is profit or a loss, it has to be distributed among the partners. For that also they keep another separate account called as distribution of profit and loss account. It is also known as partnership or profit and loss appropriation account. And after that, they have to maintain some adjustments will be there. If any wrong appropriation profit is made in the past, that is maintained. Again, reconstruction of partnership is maintained. And along with the resolution of partners, if business is dissolved, if business is closed, then a separate account is maintained. Like the different kinds of accounts are maintained, admission of a partner account, retirement account, like the different accounts are maintained. So in this chapter, we discuss only these two. That means we concentrate only on these three accounts, that is maintenance of partnership capital account, then distribution of profit and loss among the partners, then adjustments for the wrong appropriation of a partner. So after discussing these three, we will come to the maintenance of capital account. See, maintenance of capital account means whatever the capital is brought by the partners they bring some capital, isn't it? Whatever the capital is brought by the partner, it is maintained separately called as capital account, partners capital account. This capital account is maintained in two types. One is, it is maintained in the form of fixed capital account or fluctuating capital account. See, fixed capital account means, in fixed capital account, two accounts are maintained. One is capital partners capital fund, another one is current account. Capital account and current account, two accounts are maintained in the fixed capital account. First, whatever the capital is brought, that is written in a partner's capital account, and the separate another account is maintained, current account. There, the salaries of a partner, commission of a partner, interest on drawing, interest on capital, all are entered separately in another account called as current account. In fixed capital account, two accounts are maintained. One is capital account where only capital is entered. Another one account is maintained separately in order to enter drawing, interest on drawing, or partners, interest on partners capital, salary, commission, everything is entered in a separate account called as current account. That's why whatever the capital is, it is fixed, then it is not fluctuated. So that's why it is called fixed capital account. Another account is maintained called as fluctuating capital account. See, in fluctuating capital account, what happens is, only one account is maintained. In fixed account, I told you two accounts are maintained, that is partners capital account, and one account is opened, another one account called as current account. In that, whatever the drawings and all is entered. I told you, two accounts are maintained. But in fluctuating capital account, it will not happen. Only one single account is maintained. In only one single account is maintained. In that account only everything is entered. Even capital, interest on drawing, interest on capital, then salaries, commission, everything is adjusted in a single account along with the capital. That is called fluctuating capital account. Because of everything is maintained, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಒಂದೇ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋದ್ರಿಂದ the capital fluctuates. That's why that is called fluctuating account. Like this, two accounts are maintained in the capital account of a partner. So let's discuss it more clearly with the difference. See, there is a difference between, here difference is given between fixed and fluctuating capital. See, when you come to number of accounts, in fixed capital account only two accounts are maintained. One is capital account, another one is current account. In capital account, the capital what is brought by the partner, that is entered. If any new capital is added to it, that is also entered. But whereas in the current account, salaries, interest on capital, like that. Okay, where different types of accounts are entered in the current account. So here in fluctuating capital, in a fluctuating capital account, only one account is maintained. In that account only, capital, adjustments, salaries, commission, everything is entered. See, in number of accounts when you talk about, if two separate accounts are maintained, one is capital account, another one is current account. Here, for fluctuating capital account, only one account is maintained. When you come towards adjustments, all the adjustments of drawings, interest on capital are made in interest on capital, drawings, salary, then the commission, everything is entered in the current account, separate account, we call current account, not in a capital account. In capital account, only capital is entered. When you come towards the fluctuating capital account, what happens is all the adjustments are maintained in the current account. All the adjustment, whatever is there, drawings, interest, everything is adjusted in the capital account itself. When you come to fixed balance, balance is capital remains same because in capital account nothing is added. Only capital what he is brought, that is added. So it remains same. But here it doesn't happen like that. Since everything is entered in a single account, it fluctuates year by year. Next, trade balance. See here the capital account always shown in credit side. Capital account is always shown on the credit side, whereas here always it is shown on the debit side. This is the difference between fixed and fluctuating capital. Now I will show you one format of fixed capital account and also fluctuating capital account. Let's see on format. Then you will get even clearly picture about the fixed and fluctuating account. Here you have to prepare two tables in fixed account. One is for capital account, another one is for current account. In the fixed capital account. See, in fixed capital account format, here you have to open two tables. You have to make two tables. One is for capital account, another one is for current account. It comes like this. This is fixed capital account of a partner. Okay, so this is debtor and this is creditor. See here, as I told you earlier, in the fixed capital account, whatever the capital fund is there, it is entered on the credit side of the balance sheet, credit side. So here we enter the capital that is brought by the partner. Okay. If any fresh capital, this is called opening balance. See, if this partner introduces any additional capital, that is entered here. Through bank only everything goes on, isn't it? If any fresh capital is introduced by him. Total amount. Balancing. If he withdraws any capital from his account, that is entered here. Okay, if he withdraws any capital. Afterwards, balancing. Okay, balance carried out. this is the format of partners capital account. Now we will see in the fixed capital another account, that is current account of a partner. See here in current account what will happen, what and all are going to be entered. Okay, see first let's see in the credit side whatever is going to enter here. First is balance brought down. If any previous year's balance is there, that you have to enter here, and afterwards salary, commission, then interest on capital, profit and loss appropriation account. If share of profit is there, if profit is there in this side, if loss is this side. Okay. Balance carried out if any. Here on the debit side what will come? Balance brought down. In case if any debit balance is there, okay? If any debit balance is there, then we have to enter here. Drawings. If in the mid of the business, if he draws any amount for his personal use, that has to be entered here. And afterwards, interest on drawings. If he draws any money for that, he will have to pay interest. Okay? This. Balance carried out, if any. So like this it comes. Okay? This is the format of fixed capital account. In fixed capital account, what will happen? We have to open separate capital account and current account. Only capital that is introduced by him to the business. If any additional capital is introduced, that will be entered separately. Separate account is opened for the capital, and another account, current account, is opened for the other entries like salaries, commission, current adjustments, whatever is there, that is entered in the separate account called as current account. This is the format of capital, fixed capital account. In fluctuating capital account, what happens? In that format also I will show you now. This is fluctuating. Fluctuating capital account. The table comes like this. Date, particulars, amount, see here, first this is debit side, this is debit side and this is credit side. First, balance brought down. Whatever is there, that is balance of previous years, that is entered here. And after that, bank, if any fresh capital is brought by him, okay. fresh capital is introduced, that is entered here. Okay, interest on loan. Okay, if he takes any loan, interest on that, he has to pay that. Then interest on profit and loss account, and after that share of profit. See, share of profit is, if profit is made, then that share of profit is entered on the credit side. Okay. Here, what you have to enter? Drawings. Okay. Then interest on drawings. Okay. If any loss is occurred, and salaries, sorry, I forgot to say that. Salaries comes here, commission comes here. Okay, if any salary is drawn by him, commission is drawn in that, and all will come here. Okay, and obviously, finally, balance, draw down if any, balance, carry down if any. This is how then we will maintain the accounts. Okay, these are the entries which comes in the fixed capital account, how we have to form the format, and here is the format of a fluctuating capital account. So this is how the fixed and fluctuating capital account is maintained in the partnership account. Thank you.